Yesterday, I got my first silk purse ever. I can say since I know myself, because I got a relaxer at an early age, and then after that, my hair got damaged. I was diagnosed with traction alopecia and alopecia areata in 2016. So in 2016, I put in my last relaxer after having relaxer for a decade, for not a decade, couple of decades, because I got my relaxer. I think I was probably around 10, 9, 10, or 11. I think around that age I got my first relaxer, and since then I've been using relaxer until 2016 when I started to lose my hair. Then when I put stop to the chemical, and then I went natural, and you guys know the rest of the story if you are familiar with my channel. And I've been growing my hair back out with my DIY treatment. So I give myself 5 years to grow my hair back healthy, and my 5 years is over. So I decided to go for a professional trim, and then also a professional silk purse. That will be my first silk purse, I can say, in my life. So I got my silk purse yesterday. Today is the next day, but before I'm showing you guys the next day, how it's looking the next day, let me just show you guys exactly what I went through, the process that she did to do my hair. And let me just walk you guys through the process, and you can see exactly how the whole process went. how it looks on the second day. Last night my cousin helped me to wrap it up, so I need to learn how to wrap my hair. Let's see. Someone is in here staring at me.
Trying to feed strangers in our house.
Okay, this was the part. So she said I just have to take it down. Yeah. I don't know if I should brush it. Yes, let me brush it and see. I hope I don't ruin the curls, but wow, I'm using a brush on my hair. This is how the back is looking. Okay, nice. So this is how it's looking from the front. Let me also show this part. My ends feel so healthy now. I was in dire need of a trim, and since I got a really good trim, it will be so easy for me to just detangle my hair. Okay, family, so this is my first silk purse. Let me know what you think about it. I'm loving it. I'm loving how my ends feel healthy, and I'm happy with the length. I'm just going to continue on my treatment for the next 5 years and see how far we can push this hair. Now, concerning Christina, she is so amazing. I will leave all of her informations down in the description box. She got me in so fast for the appointment, and she had a lot of patience while filming. She told me, say, yeah, you guys can film. And she had a lot of patience with that. And apart from that, I had no idea that my hair was going to turn out like this. Because as you guys know how kinky and thick my hair is, if she can get it so fun like this. I'm also taking Sonia to go and get her first silk purse and professional trim, and then my cousin is also going to get her silk purse so she can also start her healthy hair journey, and you guys will be seeing a lot of videos on her also. So we got a lot of amazing content coming for you guys. I cannot wait to share it with you guys. So let me know what you think. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. And if you are in the Atlanta area or you are in Douglasville, because the salon I went to, she's in Douglasville, and Christina, tell her Selina Zinchuk sent you, and she would take good care of your hair. And I'm loving it. I'm loving it. I think she's the only person I'm gonna use from now on for my hair because I'm just so impressed with it. Okay, family. So if you, are you okay? Oh, my drama queen little girl. If you love this video, please do not forget to give it a like, leave a comment down below, and subscribe. And we will see you in our next video. Everybody can say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Sonia is in school, so you guys not seeing her.